If you want to connect to Wi-Fi on Google Pixel 11, what you need to do is you need to go to Settings on your phone. Then over here we should be able to go to Network and Internet. And then here we have the Internet option. Of course, you want to make sure that Use Wi-Fi is enabled in here. And then on this list of networks, you should be able to find the network that you want to connect to. So in my case, I'm going to choose this network. And of course, usually after that, if you have not been connected to the network before, you will have to enter the password. So let me actually try again. So if I go here, now, as you can see, I need to enter the password. And once you enter the password, and if it's correct, then you should be able to, of course, connect to the network, to the Wi-Fi. And besides that, you can also go to the notifications to find a couple of options from Quick Settings or the Control Center. And if you tap on the Wi-Fi option, then in here you can find your saved networks as well. And also, if you tap on See All, you will jump to Internet Settings again, so you can use that as well. Leave a like and subscribe.